Where you put it in? What you got? What do you have in your dress? Were you counting? Were you counting the numbers? 1, 2, 3? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? You don't know.
Mama.
What?
Boogie.
Oh, Boogie. Here, we'll take care of that. Thank you. Where'd they go?
No.
Oh my goodness. The 1, 2, 3. Pippa, how old are you? 2. Oh, let's find the numbers. Let's find the numbers. Oh, what's that?
Of that number.
Numbers.
Number. Hey.
Numbers. You know how old you are? Did you just turn 2?
4.
You're not 4. 2.
4.
Do it like a bunny.
Right.
It's like doing bunny fingers. Good job. That's how old you are. It's awesome. Ta-da!
Hey.
What? Where's Pippa? Peekaboo! Where's Pippa? I don't know either. Pippa? Peekaboo! Where's Pippa?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo! Where's Pippa? 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 Peekaboo! Yeah.